Welcome to our beginner English class. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Ooh, look, a notification.
Yay, I made it!
Let's see what it is. What? No way! Mia is out with the squad. Without me?
Best day ever. So much fun. She ghosted me today for them?
Ooh, drama. Looks like you're not the bestie anymore.
Get out, Tom! It's not funny! I said G-E-T out!
We planned to study today. She said she was busy.
Have fun with...
She read it. And she didn't reply. That's so fake.
No, I don't want to watch that. I said I want this one. Why won't you play it?
Why the long face? Did the Wi-Fi die?
Here she comes. Act cool. Hey, Anna. Did you see my post? But I thought... I saw it. You looked, busy. Oh. Wait, what's with the attitude? You lied to me. You said you had to help your mom. I did. But then I met them for 10 minutes. Oh, come on. It was only 10 minutes.
10 minutes? You guys had 3 tubs of ice cream.
But why did you lie? I just didn't want you to be mad.
This is getting spicy, guys.
Oh.
I can't believe you.
Oh, you started it. You are such a liar. No, I'm not. You are. Don't talk to me. We are done.
You are being so extra right now, Anna.
Extra?
I thought we were best friends. You are worried as a ticket. Annie, you are so jealous. It's just a photo.
I hate you. Fine, I'm leaving. I can't find it. I really need to write this down. Here, you can borrow my pen. Oh, thank you so much. No, I made a mistake. I shouldn't have done that. It's your turn. What are you waiting for?
What's wrong, honey? You seem so quiet. I wish she hadn't taken it. It was my favorite. Please come back.
Anna, are you in your room? Hey, daughter. Someone left this at the door.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you. Who sent this? It's Sophie's Rofi Gourmet Cookies. I bought your favorite cookies at the shop today. I bought your favorite cookies at the shop today. I want the chocolate chip ones.
Excellent choice.
Those are Anna's favorites, aren't they? Mm-hmm.
Wait, she went there to get these for me?
Look at this video, Anna. Mia was defending you. Oh, wow. Thank you, Tom. I can't stay long, but I need to bring these to Anna. Anna is my best friend. Oh, no. I was so mean to her. Please pick up. Please pick up. Please. Mia, I need you. Please. Hello.
Mia, I'm so sorry. I saw the cookies. I was a jerk.
I was just trying to surprise you. You really are the best. No cap. I saw that. So good. Meet me at the park in 5 minutes? Ah! I thought you forgot. Thank you. Absolutely. I'm coming. Ah!
Be careful. Go slowly, girl.
I'm gonna be there in a hurry. Look out, Street. Hi. Hi. It's good to see you. Ah! I missed you too. You're here. Look what I made. Next time, I will ask you first. No more drama. And I will tell you the truth. No secrets. Misunderstandings happen, but talking is the key.
How to say sorry sincerely.
How? Explain your feelings.
Why did the cookie go to the doctor? Because he felt crummy.
Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Ugh, Dad, that's so cringe. Bye. Lie. Love your friends. Winking. Oh. Stay chill, everyone. See you later.